You're out and about trying to get that perfect shot on your phone when you realize your battery is running out of juice. Low battery anxiety kicks in. What do? Introducing Harbor, the solar power battery that you can count on anytime, anywhere. Harbor's wireless charging and ultra-portable design make it the best companion for any outdoor activity. Harbor packs a whopping 30,000 milliamp hours, giving it more power than most other power banks. You can fully charge your phone 7 times with just one charge. No more battling over who gets to charge their device first. With the 10-watt wireless charging pad, 18-watt Type-C PD output, and 4 USB fast charging outputs, you can charge 6 devices at the same time at lightning speed. Harbor sets itself apart with its built-in solar charger, allowing you to charge in the sun even without direct sunlight. A few hours of sunshine gives Harbor enough power to charge your iPhone for a week. When the sun goes down, you can keep on exploring. Harbor comes with 3 light modes, including a 900 lumens LED light that can last up to 30 hours with one charge. The SOS flash mode can be used for emergencies, working at 3 different flashing speeds to help you get back on the right track. The best part about Harbor is that it's splash-proof, dust-proof, and always ready for any adventure, no matter how harsh the environment. Harbor isn't just a battery, it's a reliable, everyday power essential that lets you live a truly mobile life. Get your Harbor today and get ready to power your adventures.